let's go. Wait, did you put... Wait. There's phone items here. Why is there phone items? No. Speak English. Me is recording. This win. We're win. We're about to take this to our next level. I'm about to play Bed Wars. Wait, you have iron?
Yeah.
Give me some.
No.
Bruh, I thought teammates.
No.
I thought we were teammates.
Yeah.
I give you some item. Oh. Crap. Wait, it still hasn't been an hour. Iron! I found iron. Let's go. Let's go. Boring. I have 10 iron. You're gonna go up to the surface. Do I have 10 iron? Is still not enough. Oh no, I don't have food. I need a zombie to kill. To kill a zombie. Oh, I found another piece of iron. I found an iron. Bro, don't think I am... Yokik, I can see you. Bro, don't think... No, bro, this is me. I got the... Wait, I hear a zombie. Give me that zombie's flesh. I want to eat him. I hear him. Now I'm gonna call mine. I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. I need food. Where's... Ooh, I almost died. Iron. Give me iron. Get the redstone. We must use that to trap them. We also need TNT. Oh wait. Oh. Just kidding, we ain't gonna do that. Let's do another plan.
Get some food, bro.
Bro, Okay. I'm gonna just take... Wait, I'm gonna take your items and save you. Bro, your items! No, just go to the base and put all your items in the chest. Go back. Go back and get food. There It's just a... Wait, Minecraft! Nag-live. Ay, creative yaho. Abaw.